Hello everyone, my name is Vinay Chelwani and I completed my BTech in IT from VIT Pune in 2020. Currently I am working with VMware as a Java developer. My journey at Impetus started in my second year of engineering where I enrolled for the courses of C++ and data structures under the guidance of Rishikesh sir. Rishikesh sir always focused more on the basics and fundamentals for every course, which has helped us a lot from the very beginning. And the classes used to be very interactive, and in those interactions we learned more because the doubts that people or your fellow classmates had, maybe you didn't have with them at that point in time, but those things actually cleared a lot in our and it was very useful in our courses and our college throughout my engineering and also in my internships. Later I also enrolled for core Java and advanced Java courses, which helped me in my campus interviews. The most important thing that I learned at Impetus is to never give up learning, be it any technology or any language. Rishikesh sir always taught us the important strategy of understanding the problem completely by asking as many questions as possible even before designing or thinking about a viable solution. This has proven helpful to understand the real problem at hand and has saved a lot of time in all my projects wherever we had to think over the situations and come back to it again. I'm glad to be a part of Impetus family and have Rishikesh sir as my mentor who have played an important role in shaping my career. Thank you.